That meeting was supposed to start at 1 o'clock at the Capitol, but it's been postponed to April 24th, their next scheduled meeting, according to a rep for Superintendent Walters. The postponement has nothing to do with the ongoing battle over who can add agenda items. Thursday's scheduled Board of Education meeting postponed to next month, hours before its 1 o'clock scheduled start. In a statement, Oklahoma State Superintendent Ryan Walters cited OSBE members' concerns on a potential violation of the Open Meetings Act. The agenda was posted online 19 minutes after Wednesday's deadline. A physical copy was posted in time. So attorneys said today's meeting could have happened, but the decision to delay was made to avoid any chance of a violation. Due to a technical issue, the OSBE agenda for March was posted on the internet 19 minutes late. The agenda was timely posted at OSDE headquarters, where the meeting is held. The agenda was sent to OMES for posting ahead of the deadline. Board counsel advised the meeting could continue. Out of an abundance of caution, the board meeting for March will be scheduled for April 24th, 2025, which is the next scheduled board meeting date. It's interesting to note that just last night a bill advanced that would allow Board of Ed members to have a say on what goes on the agenda. Last time the board met in February, the topic caused friction.
Yes, at the last school board meeting, members asked to put some agenda items on there, and currently right now they're not able to do that.
According to a rep for Superintendent Walters, the two topics aren't related. He actually voiced he's okay with the bill in an exclusive KOCO 5 interview earlier this month.
I've talked to the speaker, talked to the pro tem. Look, I've got no issues with the bill. It frankly wouldn't affect anything that we're doing. We've always had that practice.
I reached out to Board of Ed members for comment today, and I heard from Christopher Vandehen, who says he's heard about the cancellation from a third party and is concerned about the lack of communication. Reporting live in the newsroom, Olivia Hickey, KOCO 5 News.